it's Vic. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you this lovely release which is by Missees and the owner Karin Joan. She's so sweet. I'm going to leave a link below in the description box to her store, but basically she's come out with all these pretty dies and stamps and you can design your own people, and I've had so much fun using this. So what I'm showing you now, these are some of the stamps, and as you can see it comes with the hair and accessories, and they've just been really cute. And then this one has the greetings, and they'd be great for planners too. And then I'm just going to quickly show you her paper pads. So this one is beautiful. You have a sheet of vellum, and then the next layer is pattern paper, and that's all the way through the pad. So this one's been really fun to use, and I love the gold embossed details. They're just so pretty. So if, like me, you love a bit of gold foiling, I'd highly recommend grabbing this paper pad because it's just stunning. And then the next paper pad is just full of cute designs. And what I also love is that you get some really nice solid plain colours too, which will work great with the dies. So for my card today, I've got the envelope die, and I'm going to go ahead and use that pattern paper. I'm just going to quickly run this through my die cutting machine, and then you can see it comes with the score line, so it's very easy to fold up. And then also included with that die is a little rectangle, so this will fit inside to make a little note, or you can put it on the front of your card. So now I'm going to go ahead and work on the actual face. So I've got a piece of pattern paper out of the paper pad, and I'm going to go ahead and just ink this up with some Memento ink, and I'm just gently applying that to my piece of paper. And then I love these faces that come with the kit. So what I've done with this one, I've just stamped the eyebrows and eyes and not the mouth, because I'm going to go ahead and add a different mouth to this. So I haven't stamped the top part of our head because in a second I'm going to just grab some of the dies. So this is the hair pieces. So I've just run them through my die cutting machine. And now I'm just using my scissors just to quickly fussy cut out this image, but I do believe there are dies for the actual face and body available. And then once I've trimmed out her face and body, I'm then going to layer up the hair pieces. So I'm basically going to adhere her face to that big part of the hair and then add the fringe in front. And then I thought it'd be fun to add some glasses, and then this is an actual bow, but I've just took away the pieces to make a little scarf. And then just to add a little bit of colour, I've just got some Copic markers and I've just added some colour to her eyes and mouth. I'm just using PVA glue to adhere everything together, and then I'm just gently bringing them bits of the hair forward so they're on her shoulders, and then I'll go ahead and add her fringe. So now the glasses have been die cut, I'm just adhering them down. They look so cute. I love them glasses. This has been so fun to use. I've really enjoyed making this. So now I'm just adhering them edges of the envelope so that they're all nice and secure. And then I thought it would be fun to add that rectangle note card to the inside of the envelope so that they can just pull it out. So I've gone ahead and I've got this "Yes, You Did It" stamp set. So I'm just inking that up with some Memento Tuxedo Black ink. And then to add a little bit of colour, I've got a Distress Oxide ink. So I'm just going to go ahead and ink the top part of this. As these stamps come with so many little other stamps, they'd be really cute to decorate your note card too. So once my inking's done, I'm then going to move back onto the face. So I've got a little bow and I'm using some of that pattern paper, and I'm just going to go ahead and run this through my die cutting machine to just cut out the bow. And then to adhere the envelope onto my card base, I've just got some double-sided tape, and I'm just applying the actual envelope at an angle, and then I'm using PVA glue to adhere the girl down, and then I'm just going to go ahead and finish her off with the bow. And then you can see how that little note card pulls out, and then I've just got a couple of Nouveau drops So I've gone ahead and just added 3 of them Nouveau drops, and then I'm just going to explain how I done my second card because it's pretty much the same process. But on this one I use some of the flowers to stamp up the background, and then I've used that vellum paper for the envelope. And then she's also got some gold earrings and a necklace, and then I die cut a headband. And I loved how she turned out. These have been so fun to make. And that finishes up the video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will leave the products listed down in the description box. Thanks for watching. Bye.